Kids, please put away your toys. It's time to clean the room.
Oh, Mom, why now? We are playing. I think staying home is easy. You stay home all day.
Daniel, can you help me for a minute?
Sure, in a minute.
Thank you.
Lily, Leo, do you really think Mom just has an easy day?
Of course. School is hard, but staying home is easy. Yes, cleaning is easy too.
I need to go to the store and the bank now. Please keep the house clean.
Have a good trip, honey.
Well, team, Mom works very hard every day. Let's do all her chores today. It will be a surprise.
Easy peasy. We can finish everything very fast. 20 minutes, max.
We'll see.
A little soap. And a little more. Oh, that's a lot of bubbles. Wow, this vacuum cleaner is really heavy. Sorry, Robbie. Dad, the bubbles are everywhere.
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Oh, Lily.
Wait. Oh no, my soup is burning.
I am so tired. My arms hurt. Washing dishes is not fun at all.
And I didn't even finish the laundry yet. Mom does all this every single day, without complaining.
Wow, we were wrong. Mom's housework is really hard. We should help Mom more often.
Hello, everyone. Wow, what happened here?
Mom, we tried to do all your chores today.
Really?
Wow, this is heavy. We are so sorry, Mom. We thought housework was easy. Now we know how hard you work for all of us. Thank you for everything, Mom.
Oh, my sweet kids. Thank you. We are a great team.
From now on, we'll share the chores together.
That is the best gift I could ever get.
Helping each other makes our home warm, and happy.
Do you help your parents with housework at home? Tell us in the comments.
See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice weather today. Perfect for riding bikes.
Good morning, everyone. In 2 weeks, our school will have a family bike festival. Every family can join. There will be games, fun rides, and family activities.
My family loves bike rides.
Then I hope to see all of you there.
Leo, let's practice after school. Great idea.
Let's make sure every bike is ready.
Mine is almost ready.
Your bike looks beautiful.
Thanks! I'm not finished yet. Mine needs more ribbons. I can't wait. Robbie, that's my basket.
I think Robbie wants to join the festival too.
You're getting really good. I want to do even better.
Great job, everyone. Time to go home.
See you tomorrow. See you.
One more try. Almost. Ouch.
Leo, are you okay?
Does it hurt here?
A little.
Good news. Nothing is broken.
Really?
It's a sprain.
You need to rest. No bike for 2 weeks.
What about the family bike festival?
Let's help your foot get better first.
I think I ruined everything. No, you didn't.
Do you remember why we wanted to go?
To ride our bikes.
No, to spend the day together.
The festival is one day. Our family is every day.
Slowly, very good.
You're getting better.
Don't give up. That's my bike, Robbie. I hope I can ride tomorrow.
Whatever happens, we'll be together.
Look, Leo, there are so many bikes.
How does your foot feel?
Much better. But I'm still a little scared.
That's okay. Take your time.
Welcome, everyone. Let's enjoy this beautiful day together. No pressure. If you want to stop, we stop.
I'm doing it. We're together. We finished. I knew you could do it.
I'm proud of you. Before we finish, we have one special award. Today's Family Team Award goes to Leo and his family.
Leo, really?
You earned it.
This was the best day. Because we stayed together.
That's what family is.